Hello, Mr. Chen. This is Mateo, and today I'm going to be showing my thinking on these two different concepts. The first one I'm going to be showing is my thinking on why tangent lines are always perpendicular to the radius of a circle. Okay, so basically, the shortest possible, the length of a perpendicular between a point and a point on a line is the shortest distance. And which means that one of these has to be, like B is an arbitrary point. OA is a radius, OC is a radius, A is the point of tangency. And basically, one of these has to be perpendicular if B is an arbitrary point. And basically, we know that it can't be OB, the one that is perpendicular, because all radiuses are equal. So we have OA is equal to OC, but then OB is a combination of OC and CB, which means that this segment is longer than this segment if B is an arbitrary point. And that basically just like rules out this. And that leaves us with just this. This has to be the perpendicular segment because since this is a radius, it's the shortest possible distance between the tangent line and the center. And something cool about this is that another way you could do this is with, I guess, the converse of the Pythagorean theorem. So this is a right angle if a squared plus b squared equals c squared. C squared is obviously always the longest one. And that's all I have to say. I mean, the Pythagorean theorem will always work here. This is obviously the angle opposite to c. And then I'm going to cover this now. So this is called Thales' theorem or something like that. Basically, it's saying that if you draw any two angles from the diameter of a circle, so like from here, it's saying that this is always going to be a right angle. And the way they do this basically is, first of all, they draw O is the midpoint of A and C. I mean, they're also going to be equal because they're both radiuses. And it connects O to B. And then all radiuses are equal, so that means that this is also equal to this. So from here, we've created basically two isosceles triangles. And the base angles of isosceles triangles are always equal to each other. So alpha is equal to alpha here. These are both beta. And the one that is going to be a right angle is going to be alpha plus beta. So we can write this out as like the sum of all the angles equals 180. So how I'm going to do it is I'm going to say alpha plus beta plus beta equals 180, because the angle sum in a triangle is always 180. And then from there, we can just add like terms. So we get 2a plus 2b equals 180. And then from there, we can rewrite it as this, equals 180. And then divide both sides by 2. And we get alpha plus beta equals 90. This plus this is going to equal 90. And that is basically my thinking on both of these concepts. I'm hoping I was This recording was, I tried to be more raw so I could just get like my natural thinking. But I'm hoping you were able to follow my thought process. Thank you.